Hello, this is Liz with DC Digital, and today I'm demonstrating our standard model DC-40N-POE-FLUSH-STAINLESS. In this video, I'm going to go over how to use this product first, and then follow up with hardware and features. So this is going to be used as a clean room network clock. What makes it a great clean room product is that once you get it connected up to power and network, and you have it mounted in place, you don't need to physically touch the clock again to change the time zone or the network settings. Anything that you would need to change about the display is going to be found on a web page. So you don't have to worry about taking your clock down and contaminating your clean room just to change it from 12 to 24-hour format. So to get to that web page, you're going to open up IP setup on your computer, and there is a MAC address sticker on the back of the clock. You're going to find that MAC address inside of IP setup, click on it, hit launch web page, and then it'll connect you to the setting page for that clock. So on the home screen, which is what we're seeing now, there is an overview of all of the settings that you can change for this clock. If we click on clock settings and network settings, it will ask you for a username and password. The username by default is username all lowercase. The password by default is password all lowercase. And then if you go to clock settings, that's the first thing that you can change up at the top. And then you have the NTP server that your clock will get an update for time from. You can change that right below the username and password. And then you can change how often it gets an update from that NTP server. So if you're trying to get an update from a website that will lock you out, if you try to get an update more than once every 5 minutes, you can change the update interval to something like 10 minutes so that you don't get locked out on accident. And then for the time settings, you can change it from 12-hour to 24-hour mode, and you can change it from observing daylight savings time to not observing, and then you can also change the time zone. Currently it's in Pacific time zone, so I'm going to change it back to Eastern. Click submit, and it may take up to a minute to reflect that on the clock, just depending on when the last update was. And then if you go over to network settings, you can change the device name, and you can change the DHCP addressing mode to static addressing mode if you need your clock to have a specific IP address and go to a specific server. You can control all of that very easily right here. And that is it for how to use it. It's very simple to use, very easy, and it's pretty straightforward. So it comes with a closed cell foam compression gasket around the backside of the case. And the digit size for this is going to be 4-inch red segmented LEDs as a viewing distance of 200 feet. The case is going to be 316L 16 gauge stainless steel flush mount, and it is just going to be the face plate. So we sell this product with a back box, and we also sell it with just the faceplate like this, and you can buy the back boxes separately. So the way that this will arrive to you is with the faceplate, the foam gasket, and then the electronics will look like this on the back. This is where the MAC address is, and this is where you connect it for the network and power. And because this is a PoE device, that means it gets power over Ethernet. So you will need to have an injector to combine the power and data into one cable for the display. And I believe that is it. So all of our products are manufactured and assembled at our location in Carlisle, Ohio. So if you like this product and want to order it, or if you have any questions about how we can customize any of our products for your specific needs, please contact us using the link in the description. Again, this has been Liz with DC Digital, demonstrating our standard DC-40N-POE-FLUSH-STAINLESS. Thank you.